Notice how I didn't flinch. That's because of Newton's third law of photosynthesis. Anyways guys, so today instead of photosynthesis, I will be teaching you how to remove your spine. How to do things that'll look like you removed your spine. But in reality you didn't, or maybe you did, who knows? But we are gonna be doing exactly that today. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna be teaching you a mix between, I'd say, like on a scale of like easy, medium, and hard, I'm gonna teach you medium. So, yeah. I mean, if you're just starting contortion, you can do this as well and you can just like work into it a little bit more. But I'm gonna show you out there that have a little bit more of a flexible back, you know? Like maybe not a contortionist, but a little bit more of a flexible back than the average person, you know? Or maybe you are a contortionist, you know, who knows? But either way, please enjoy this video of me trying to teach you guys. Maybe one day I'll do an actual class somewhere. Actually guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like me to actually teach a class somewhere. Let me know in the comments below. Anyways guys, let's get into the first move. We're gonna kind of start off on a little bit the easier end. So you're gonna get on your elbows, and this is for if like maybe you can't do a handstand. Elbow stands are a little bit easier than handstands. But you're gonna get on your elbows and you're gonna kick up into the splits. Then from here, you're going to try to reach for your foot. And then once you grab your foot, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold on for dear life. And then from here, you're gonna bring your back leg and pull it downwards. And you're just gonna hold on to this leg for dear life. And then it creates like a really cool split.
That is really cool, man.
Thanks, bro.
That's really cool, dude.
Thanks. That's how you get into that pose. But here, for this next move, it's a tad bit of an optical illusion. Kind of like what I showed you last time. I showed you guys one optical illusion. It's a little bit of an optical illusion, a little bit of a, you still have to have a flexible back, but it's something for you guys to try. Okay, so you're gonna go into a back bend, however you want to go into a back bend. Once you're in here, you're gonna take your right hand and flip it upside down. Then from here, you're gonna take your left hand and reach all the way to your right knee. So your hand's right on your knee, right on the top part of your knee. Then from here, you're gonna just start twisting. And then you're gonna like, almost like sit down. So like your butt right here is just gonna sit down and it creates this cool like pose.
That's crazy. Wait, I feel like I can do that.
You feel like you can do it? How about you try it, Zach?
Probably.
Last time we had you try this stuff too, Zach.
Yeah, but like I didn't really like do it good.
No, like Zach, like you can do this. So go into a back bend however you want. So you're gonna take your left arm and bring it underneath.
Around there?
Yeah, bring it around there. But you have to be in a back bend.
Oh no.
No, dude, trust me, you have to go in a back bend and do it. Try to reach your knee. There you go, right there. Hold on for dear life and start twisting. Twist your body that way.
I can't.
You can do whatever you put your mind to, Zach.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can, Zach.
I'll never be as good as you, Sophie.
Zach, you can do anything, bro. You can do anything, Zach.
You ever wash your hands?
I didn't wash my hands.
Oh my god, dude. This is not promoting the proper safety
techniques.
I put Puro.
Yeah, okay, alright, that's fine.
Try it one more time, Zach. Come on, you got this. You got this, Zach. Come on. You got this. You got this, Zach. You got this. Come on, you got this. Let's go! Reach for the knee, Zach. Reach for the knee. You got it. You got it, Zach. Now grab on.
Your choice for dear life.
You know what? Just sometimes, Zach, when life gives you back bends, sometimes they just don't work out.
Yeah, moral of the story, you need to be a little bit more flexible than me to do this kind of stuff.
No.
That's the moral.
I mean, true. Just a little bit, just like a tad more.
What?
Let's go, come on, Zach. Let's go, Zach. Let's go. For the next pose. Okay, I kind of just think it's a little fun boy. I'm actually gonna show you kind of the easy version, and then I'm gonna do a hard version for those.
Who is it? Wait.
Stop.
Can I see?
Stop.
Can I see?
Stop.
Is it your boyfriend? No, it's not. Well, it's definitely your boyfriend, isn't it?
No, it's not, Zach. I don't have a boyfriend. I'm single. Anyways, I'm gonna do an easy version and then hard version, and then you guys can decide which one you want to do. Yeah. Okay, sorry, I'm super hyper. I need to calm down. No, just kidding. I need more coffee. I need more coffee. I literally need more coffee. I just remembered I hate coffee. Well, I hate coffee. I don't know why I drink so much of it. Okay, ready? You guys are gonna really like this. Actually, I'm gonna go on this side. So basically, you're gonna go into a split. You're gonna reach backwards and then grab your foot. Then from there, it's gonna be a nice little cool transition. It's gonna be a little fun. So you're gonna switch to your stomach while still holding onto your leg. And then you're gonna hold on with your other hand and then do the splits. Like this. Isn't that fun?
So fun, wow.
It's so fun. Zach, you're gonna try it next. Okay, so that's the easy version. You got that? Should you try the easy version first before we move on to the hard version?
I cannot do the splits. Do you understand, Sophie? You need to have your splits down for like all of these tricks.
Okay, well, then I'll just show you the hard version. Fine, Zach. It's kind of like, it's a little harder version of that, but kind of going like backwards too. So you're gonna start off like this. So you're gonna go into the splits like this, and then you're gonna bring your foot down and flex it and hook it under your chin, just like this. Yeah, I hooked it under my chin like this, so I'm locked in. Then from here, you're gonna go into your right hand, and then you're going to flip upside down.
What just happened? What just happened?
Then from here, see how my foot's still locked in? You can slide into the splits, and then you're now in the splits.
Dude, I was literally right here watching it, and I have no clue what just happened.
Want to try it, Zach?
No, I have no desire to try it. Nor do I think that I will ever succeed at any of these tricks.
All right, so next move. Sorry, my gymnastic self was like going into like position.
Dude, how long do I have to stay up here for?
Zach, you have to stay up there.
This doesn't feel very stable.
Zach, you're fine, trust me, Zach. It's not that far of a drop, it's literally only like 5 feet. Okay, so this next one, it's a little bit harder. Again, this is like an intermediate class with a little bit of advanced, so hopefully you're following along. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your foot and go into a needle. Once you got this, you're gonna keep holding on to this foot, and you're gonna kind of go back a little fast, but not too fast, and you're just gonna flex your foot and go back with your leg, and then you'll be here. Zach, did you get what I got?
Yeah, did you get what I got?
I don't know what you got. Okay, anyways. If you got that down solid, you can actually try it a few other ways. You can actually try it really slow, which is a lot harder. So you'll be in this pose, and then just go back extremely slow. And you got it. Yeah.
Dude, I'm definitely gonna fall off of this.
Here, you want me to take the camera, Zach? Let me take the camera. Jump! Jump, Zach! Zach, do it! Incredible.
Photosynthesis.
Alright guys, so this next one I kind of do a lot, and people always think it's cool. It's a great party trick. I always do it in mosh pits, and people go crazy. So if you want a good party trick, this is it. Okay, so if you know how to do a back walkover, that's a back walkover. Pretty easy. If you can do a back bend, you can do a back walkover. Maybe not as like flexible back walkover as me. If like maybe you're not, don't have to, you can figure it out. I'm gonna have you guys
Figure it out!
Anyways, so you're gonna do your back walkover, and then when you step down with this leg, instead of stepping down with this leg back here, you're gonna step forward with this leg, and then you're not gonna take a step with this leg, you're just gonna go back right away. So then it does this. And then from here, you can just keep going faster, and faster, and faster.
Till you fly away like a helicopter.
Till you fly away like a helicopter. And I'm gonna be honest, sometimes you get a little dizzy, just a little dizzy, you know? But it's worth it for the party trick. Boom.
Photosynthesis.
Do you know what photosynthesis is, Zach?
I know exactly what photosynthesis is. Do you know what photosynthesis
I know what
is?
photosynthesis is.
What is photosynthesis?
Zach.
Define photosynthesis for us, Sophie.
Like photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is this. So this last move, it's a little more on the easier side, kind of, but at this point I don't think you guys believe me with that. So I'm just gonna show you and then you decide for yourself.
I decide it's easy if I can do it.
Okay.
And I have not been able to do anything so far.
So I'm gonna kind of teach you the basics of it before I show you the full thing. So you're on a backbend. If you can do this, where you're in a backbend, you sit down, you'll be able to do this. So you face the camera with your face, bring your legs to the side like this, go on your tippy toes and sit down with your butt. And then you're gonna cross your arms like this, and then it's a cool pose.
Crazy.
Isn't that cool?
Wow.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Basically how you can practice this is you can kind of just learn how to sit down, pretend like you're sitting in a chair. And also if you're able to sit down like this, you can learn how to do a roll.
A rolly boy. That's a nice little rolly boy.
Nice little rolly boy. Okay, well, Zach, actually, before we go, I have one more thing I want to do with you. It's kind of a loyalty test, actually, because
what?
It is. Just trust me. I've seen this all over TikTok, Zach. So come here. Come here.
Okay.
Come here, Zach.
Okay.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Okay.
Sit right there.
What? Right here?
Yeah. Okay. So basically, how this is gonna work is you cannot take a bite of this butter. Whatever you do, you cannot eat this butter while
Okay.
I'm on.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay?
That's...
You cannot have any of that.
All right. I mean, yeah. I mean,
okay. I'm gonna go.
come on. Why would I wanna?
Are you serious? You
No.
had one job.
No, I
had
didn't.
one job. What did you do? You had the.
I didn't know. No, I didn't mean to do that.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I gave you great tips.
Stop
Anyway-
looking at me.
Anyways, get your merch at Shops of the Dossi. Link is in the description below. Make sure to get it. And also, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you aren't already. And also hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video.
Hey, where's this from? Where's this from, by the way?
The fridge. It's butter.
Yo.
Okay, you know, let's just end this now. Oh my god.
Alright.
Love y'all. Peace. No, get that up. No.
No, I need it.
No.
I need.
You don't need it.
Alright, cool.